Within the depths of an ancient manuscript exploring the esoteric wisdom of Jewish Kabbalah, one discovers a profound directive urging humanity to entrust its financial security to the divine providence, irrespective of the earthly wealth amassed. The narrative woven throughout the text echoes the sentiment that material riches offer no true sanctuary. Rather, genuine prosperity manifests only through alignment with the divine will. Central to this age-old wisdom are three potent words: "In God we trust." These words, imbued with a sense of divine assurance, are believed to possess the transformative power to swiftly usher in prosperity into one's life. This concept has reverberated through the corridors of history, notably emerging during the tumultuous era of the United States Civil War in 1864. Amidst the backdrop of strife and uncertainty, these words found their way onto every banknote, serving as a beacon of hope in the chaos that engulfed the nation. The symbolism adorning these banknotes is as captivating as it is profound. From the enigmatic pyramid crown with an all-seeing eye to the Latin inscription Anu Coeptus, translating to God has favored our undertakings, and the mystique of the number 13, each element contributes to a tapestry of spiritual significance. Yet, it is the simple yet profound phrase, "In God we trust," that stands as a testament to the enduring power of faith amidst adversity. Spanning more than a century and a half, these words have endured, etching themselves into the very fabric of the nation's identity. They have transcended their origins within the realm of Jewish Kabbalah to become not only a motto but also an emblem adorning the flag of Georgia. Their journey through time serves as a testament to the enduring power of faith and the belief that true prosperity flows from a deep-seated connection to the divine. Embedded within the teachings of Jewish Kabbalah is the profound notion that money transcends its material form to become a conduit of divine energy. It is through aligning oneself with the divine will that the boundless potential for true financial abundance is unlocked. Thus, the inscription of "In God we trust" upon the currency and the daily recitation of the timeless Kabbalistic prayers serve as constant reminders of humanity's unwavering trust in the greatness, love, and divine precepts that pave the path toward authentic prosperity. As we delve deeper into the annals of history and contemplate the profound wisdom contained within these ancient teachings, let us find solace in the knowledge that our faith in the divine serves as a wellspring of abundance that knows no bounds. If these insights resonate with you, I humbly invite you to share your thoughts and reflections in the comments below. With heartfelt gratitude, I extend a warm embrace and express my deepest appreciation for your attention to these sacred truths. Type Amen if you feel abundant. Remember to like this video, and give thanks. Watch this important message right now.